Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
This is Lou, and Lou loves his bed. This is by JOEJOY, and it's a size small. Lou is a Boston Terrier, and he weighs about 13 pounds, and this is the perfect bed for him. It is a place where he can go and totally relax, especially because we have a 2-year-old, and so this is a nice little escape for him. But not only is it a nice escape, but it is so incredibly soft, and no matter where I put it, in his crate, in the sun, on the couch, he really does enjoy laying in it. Sometimes he likes to attack it. That's fun for him too. But for the most part, he gets pretty calm when he's in this thing. But why wouldn't he? Look at this thing. Another great thing about this is all around the edge is a great place for him to hide all of his little treats. There are bones that I find down there. Like, he hides so many things down there that he can play with later. I've had to wash this a couple times in the washing machine, and it has come out perfect, looking brand new. I've not had a problem with stitching coming out or anything like that. It is a really nice bed, and Lou really loves it, which makes me happy because I know he always has a nice, safe place to go where he can calm down a little bit. So if you're looking for a really nice place for your little pup to lay down their head, I would highly recommend this bed by JOEJOY.
But that's just our point of view.